so I did it again. I didn't check, I brought the paint, but I didn't check that I didn't have clear coat. So I'm missing the hardener. I just have the clear, I don't have the hardener. So I just went to O'Reilly's. I don't know if it's gonna work, I never tried it before, but so I got this Dupli-Color gloss clear coat. Now it's ready to spray. I need to mix anything. Okay guys, so here we have the bumper. I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll do for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the fog light covers on the grills, and gotta fix the light first, and then we can put it on the bumper. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm gonna use long screws so I can hold it in place, the headlight. And of course, we're gonna tie this one, and hopefully we can put the bumper, and hopefully looks good. Hopefully it's gonna look good. Okay, so now we're gonna try to put the bumper. Okay, let's go ahead and try. Okay, so there it is, guys. Had a little trouble with this side, but I mean, got it done. So the only thing that we're gonna do here, we're gonna use screws, because we used to have rivets, but we're gonna use screws. Okay guys, so next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a good detail. We're gonna detail the engine, hood. Are pretty much done with the inside. We still have this side and dash, and of course the wheels and the outside. So as you can see, this car was probably almost abandoned, or they never cared to wash it to give it a good detail. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's go ahead and take it outside. Okay guys, so here we have the hood clean and the engine. So when doing the engine, I always try to be extra careful, because if you with the most important components on the engine, like the fuse box or the ECM, you can damage some of the components. Or for example, in this case, the plugs or the coils are the coils are underneath this cover, so we're good there. But always try to be extra careful. Okay, the next thing I do is start up the car and let it drive by itself. And without the hose, you can do this right here. Well, I think this happened because of the mat. I should have put it the other way, but it's okay. We can just clean it with the rag. So next thing we're gonna do the outside. Okay guys, so next thing is the tires and the wheels. So I use one of these with my drill, spray some degreaser, then we do the tire, then we do the wheel. Then rinse it off. I still gotta do some more things to this car. We still need to do the antenna. I already ordered it from Amazon. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna clean the lenses. We're gonna clean the lenses of the headlights, and I guess that's pretty much it. Well, thanks a lot for watching guys, and see you on the next video.